I'm Fabricio Medina Bolivar, and on behalf of Arkansas State University, I welcome you to the third annual conference of the American Council for Medicinally Active Plants. You are welcome. The overall theme for this year is on plants and human health. We are proud to bring representatives from 19 countries and 22 states here to Jonesboro, Arkansas.
My name is Agnes Armando with the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and I am the president of this society. This is a diverse group of scientists doing plant research, not just characterizing bioactive compounds, but also trying to improve the plants.
Thank you to the Arkansas Health Sciences Institute. It's a great pleasure to be your host for this conference, a lot of preparation. Tonight we're going to start with this reception, and we're going to show you our great facility here. We're going to have Chante here as our outreach coordinator. We're going to show you different areas of the building, different instrumentation and research that is going on here at the ABI. Tours are going to start about 5 minutes, I believe. Again, we're going to have 3 different tours. They go through different areas of the building, and you can select all the different tours at your random.
To initially assess our genes because we're the first ones making these genes and plants in this way, right into the plant. It's cool, huh?
We use this instrument to measure the activity of cellulase.
Regeneration breeding program, and after the 7 or 8 generation, increase significantly.
And how does that work? Because if you produce the cellulase in the embryo, doesn't that kill the embryo?
No, it does not.
People are starting to gather that vitamin C is anti-aging, so you can see it in makeups and face creams and all kinds of stuff. Just help balance that out and keep our cells from rusting. And they treat kids with antioxidants too. Yes.
I can tell.
And it's a tropical plant that's great, and it's growing in the flower. Yes, it's actually the flower like in the also very large top seeds. And we can release it to increase the level, and we can
3 pure compounds coming out at different times. So.
This particular conference is the only one of its kind that's specifically just looking at medicinally active plants, just looking at the whole cornucopia of plants. So it's not like a lot of other conferences where it'll just be anthocyanin pigments or polyphenols. It's all the different compounds that a plant can have that have medicinal action, and it's all focused on human health. So in that way it's quite unique. And the participation, the number of people here has grown every year. It's only the third time, but it's grown dramatically every year, and I expect it will continue to do so as the reputation increases. And also the new journal that's being put out is going to really increase the reputation of this conference.
I'm going to be talking about purple tomatoes, which we made a while back, and about how we've taken those forward to do studies on whether they're healthier for you, and also made new compounds in tomato and how you can use those to look at health benefits. So I'm going to convert everyone to eating tomato. It's the first time I've been to a meeting where this type of research has been really at the forefront. So normally the sections of big plant meetings are on secondary metabolism and the uses. They can be put for a very small, and there's maybe about 10 people in the audience. So it's really great to see a lot of people working with a similar sort of way of thinking, and it's really a new and emerging area, so that's great.
I think in many ways plants are really sort of at the interface where we're recognizing that we are what we eat, and what we need to do is actually eat a lot more of the phytochemicals that are health promoting in vegetables and fruits. But what's nice about this conference is it's taking that sort of understanding and putting it to a scientific principle.
The use of medicinal plants has been going on for a long time, but in mainstream biology it seems that it's always in the background. There may be a session at a larger meeting, there may be talks or posters at a larger meeting, but to bring everyone that's working on it together into one group so that they can talk, compare ideas, work on collaborative efforts so we can move the entire field forward is very, very important. And that's really a main thing that this, I think that this meeting has done.
I want to thank everybody for your attendance and for the fantastic program, the fantastic conference.
Thank you very much. We'll see you next year in Massachusetts.
This conference has been a very good opportunity to interact with people with different expertises, and also to exchange information, scientific information, with the potential to establish future scientific collaboration.
Actually, in next year, and it's been a really good experience so far.
It's very important to that these scientists come together, and this was very interesting for me to see what can be done, what kind of genetic manipulations and other things which we usually do with mammalian cells. Here is done with plant cells.